We're totally not gay.
I'm totally not gay.
We're not gay, actually. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're not going to be role playing. We're just going to be acting like our normal self. You know.
We've been neutered too. So yeah.
Stop talking about that.
I have a staff that kills everyone instantly.
I have a fire that can kill everyone. So I'm about to use it. Somebody.
Ooh, let's get it.
Who's out there, Tycoon? I would be free to use it. Sit down. Oh, two.
Okay, what's the watch?
Yeah.
You're so gay. I got. Oh no!
He has a punishing earth. He has a punishing earth.
Well, who cares? I can kill him right now. Where is he?
I'm gonna try to kill him. Get as close as I can. Ah! He's so unlucky. He let go of the earth. Why would he do that? He's so dumb. Oh, hi guys. What you gonna do? Yeah, run. Been around, boy.
Oh, no. Dude, I can't move. I can't move.
I'm here.
Alright, I killed him. I literally killed him.
I am emoji. Oh, you have the same thing? Oh, yeah, we have the same thing. Wee. Watch out.
Die.
Now we can all just go killing hobos. I didn't expect to meet you over here. Okay.
Yeah, I'm totally gay.
You're gay. Wait, let me look at your avatar for a second. Let me look at. Wait, let go of that. Let go of that. Let me look at your avatar.
I'm rich, bruh.
John's just like, no. Nah, I feel
Let me just smack the crap out of you real quick.
Okay. So did you see me? Wait, where are you? Okay, maybe at the middle. Let me look at your avatar again.
Alright, I'm gonna just change into Ben 10 now. Ben 10 change form. Yo. Nope.
And John is like, nope. Have a good one.
Dude, look at my avatar. I'm so rich.
Have a good one.
I'm so freaking rich. I have Robux.
Really, Anthony? I almost killed you. I killed you! Sorry.
You did that on purpose.
No, I didn't. I was trying to kill this guy, but I thought... Get teabagged.
You did that on purpose.
Get teabagged. No, I didn't. I tried it. What the heck? Why is his body FF? Force field. Isn't that the katana and...
That's the golden snake katana. That's the golden snake katana.
This guy's trying to come near me. Watch this. Yeah. Wow, sit down. Okay.
Hi, Bacon here.
Just get...
No! He has a...
Okay, Twig. Since I killed you, you can have well-deserved vengeance on me.
I don't even have a weapon. The dude freaking killed me with his ness.
I'll wait. With his freakiness.
Ah, neuterness.
With his freakiness, get out the way. I almost died.
How do cats even get the disease neuter?
And guys, this game is called Lucky Blocks, and I already purchased the Rainbow Lucky Blocks, which is
the skip time
cool,
too.
The skip gen. Yeah, I'll just go to my turn.
No way.
Yeah.
No, John. No, wait. Did I just die by that?
Okay, here you can have well-deserved vengeance. Where are you? My base is...
No. I'm on the dude.
Okay, here. You can have well-deserved vengeance.
John, kill him.
You can have well-deserved...
John, kill him. Hold on.
You can have well-deserved vengeance. I'm coming.
Kill this dude. Kill my llama dude.
Okay, fine.
I don't want him.
Ah!
Where are you?
You killed me!
For real?
Yes.
How
Your
did
sword.
I kill you?
Your sword. Oh, look at the potion! Wait, hold on, guys. You need to see, right?
Oh,
Okay, I got this speed potion, which is very cool because I get to. My best friend! If you guys don't know what it is, I'm gonna show you right now. I'm about to show you
What?
right now.
That's my best one. Help me, John. Help me, John.
This mark of evil.
Kill this dude. Kill this dude. I don't want him.
The child is here.
Kill this dude. John, kill him. Kill him. Kill
Who?
Llama dude. Kill
Where?
Llama dude. Kill Llama dude.
Oh, where are you?
Dude, someone's trying to kill me.
Where are you?
I'm right here. Oh, I think I killed him.
Where are you?
I'm Llama Head. Kill the llama.
Should.
Kill the llama dude. I don't like him.
Okay, here, let me just. Oops! Dang it! I even poked this thing and then you still die.
What? Is that a part of my soul now?
Someone said ugly.
Excuse me, but you need some milk, first of all. He's better
I'm
than
gonna just
me.
say, well, I'm new. So, I am ugly.
John! My
And
violin!
this guy is trying to try me, but he can't do anything to me. He is so stupid. Oh, he about to pay. Oh, he wanna call me a noob, huh? Pew, pew, pew.
You killed some?
Nah,
Well, now you're gonna have to die for that.
he killed me though. Can't run away from me, boy. Somebody's tycoon is right next to me.
you're killing me.
Violin of death.
They really put two types of things that I like.
Try me. Try me now.
They put two versions. No one.
I think I just killed him.
I just killed that guy who's trying to taunt me later.
Dude, I have the violin of death.
He said teams. I might say, I already have 3 teammates. I mean,
Die, Bacon here. Freaking big. JB! I want to use my violin of death. No! Don't you... No what?
yeah.
Violin of death time. You killed me.
Knock off. I'm sorry guys for interrupting. I just need to change.
Touch that.
Ooh, sit on Bacon here.
Touch that.
This outfit is God.
I want you to test something. Incense. I want you to test somebody's incense. That's not.
What are these
Let
things?
me do this something for quick though. I'm gonna do this.
Here we go.
You can marry somebody's incense. You can marry somebody's incense. You can, yeah, you can marry.
Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Hey guys, this is I'm just kidding. I'm gonna act like myself.
I'm not feeling like this. I'm a murderer in the deep seas.
That's not how acting like that. Ooh. I dropped a nuke on myself.
No, that was me.
I'm totally not stupid.
What the? Dude, I have a better nuke. It's not even a nuke. It's like 6,000 of them. What? I'm gonna kill your stuff first.
And
Kill
this
your
guy
stuff.
is stupid. Good day. Have a good day. Have a good day.
And then,
I'm gonna kill myself.
how about I kill you?
No, stop it. Stop it. I want to kill myself. Suicide. Yeah.
Are you dead?
We're having more day.
I'm weird. Dude, my violin of death can kill anyone.
I can't believe so. First is still awake. Ah, Herbert.
What? I need a stretch. Son, I have another earth thingy punish. Wait, but it's electric this time. Sorry, son. I'm sorry.
Wait, what?
Oh! It's the same.
No! He's trying to kill some?
Let's freak over here, boy.
It's time to get well-deserved vengeance. Sorry, guys. If you think how did he
look,
know
I got
that?
the skeleton scythe. I got the skeleton.
Someone wanna mess with Frisk? I'm sorry, but there's safe. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day.
John, he killed me and some.
Who?
The dude.
Oh,
The
this
dude
guy?
with- Yeah.
This guy?
The
I'm
dude in the hat.
gonna pretend I have nothing. Bye. And I got him. Well deserved vengeance.
Kill him more. Don't I have a skeleton scythe again? Don't look at this.
Well deserved vengeance. Why is this guy trying to go on my target? I just murdered his bear so you can kill him.
I'm taking every single last thing from you.
Whoa, Frisk, what are you doing? What is?
Frisk is doing the dance of death.
Don't come near, or you will get the paintball.
Let me see what happens.
Oh my eyes!
Ghost now. See, yeah, Frisk is doing the disco of death. Well, I've been.
That's not always what you do.
Don't look at my present gun. I like shooting presents. To people that are freaking nice.
Omaiwa Musino. Where's the red? Violet's at blue.
Don't look.
Omaiwa Musino. Yeah.
Look at my thing. I'm a dumb.
I just love
Just
the
because you're
magic of-
fat.
Oh!
I just love the magic
But
of-
Come on,
it's-
let's go.
What are you doing?
Oh! Dude, this thing is instant kill.
I smacked him.
Oh,
I
wow.
won't like.
Let me smack it. Oh, I was about to smack his pet. With this thing, this is instant kill.
Well, wait, what is that? A crossbow?
Yeah. What the heck happened to my face?
Try to shoot it.
Okay.
Don't shoot it at me. Just shoot it. Yeah, that's
It's probably like the red hyper laser. But to a behind you. Yeah. Let me disintegrate his body. Disintegrate! Ah! Dang it. Ooh, no, let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. Sucker.
What the?
Disintegrated.
Red ashes.
Disintegrated.
Dude, you turned out to red ashes. No, he's Bugs the Bunny.
Ow!
He's Bugs.
Ow! Stop!
You turned,
Sit down!
you turned him to red ashes too. How many people are you?
I just turned everybody into ash shoot ever. I'm thinking of the word now. I'm thinking of the word now. Evil. Evil. Stop!
Okay, dude.
Stop it! That's not cool! Okay. I don't think I didn't hear that. I'm gonna turn everybody to ash. Everybody to ash.
Oh my gosh, this is evil.
Totally not customer.
John, look, this is evil. You putting
Evil!
That's how you
Evil!
put needles in someone's stomach.
Evil! But this guy is stupid. This guy didn't think I didn't see him. Thought I didn't see him.
Someone's actually blowing the freaking blow.